Good evening, sir. Myself, Arvind Karthik, and my friend Vamsi Krishna. We are here to present you the review 2 of our document, Real-Time Object Measurement, which is prepared for image processing, sir. My teammate Vamsi Krishna will continue this review presentation by explaining you the module description, sir.
Good evening, sir. This is Vamsi Krishna with my teammate Arvind Karthik. So we are here to give our review to sir. Our project title is real-time object measurement prepared for specially for image processing, sir. I would like to start with our model description, sir. First of all, I want to tell about our image capture, sir. This is the first step to fetch a high quality image with resolution and also to load an image from a file. We use cv2.mz, sir. Image should be in working directory or full path of the image should be given also. And now we are gonna discuss about image recognition, sir. It is mainly includes prelims, front-end video information collection and transmission and image retrieval and back-end analysis processing. Image recognition requires a front-end capture camera to provide a clear and stable video signal, and also as video signal quality will direct affect the effect of image identification done through embedded intelligent always module to detect, analyze, and identify the image screen also, sir, and filter out the interference and then makes targets and to the image screen in abnormal situations in which the intelligent image analysis is a module based on the principles of artificial intelligence and pattern recognition algorithms also. Researchers have been applied in fire recognition system also, sir. Now we are gonna discuss about image segmentation, sir. The so-called image segmentation is to separate the object or objects in the video sequences that are important or people are interested in form of the background, or that is to draw the respectively consistent attributes and each and every and also at the same time to different the background and foreground regions, and also the images can be recorded as a 3D images also. In other words, we can say that the image is composed of a series of time continuous and 2D images. From the perspective of spider segmentation, image segmentation is mainly used of the both spatial and temporal information and to pick out the independent motion regions of the image in a foundation of other video image processing, such as image coding, image retrieval, and also image database operation. The segmentation quality has a direct impact on the work of the late. So the research image segmentation technology is important and challenging also, sir. Now my teammate function Arvind Karthik will about explain about our function using the description, sir.
Sir, I will continue this review presentation by explaining you the functions used on the description, sir. Here we are using a lot of functions, sir. These are some functions we are using in our project, sir. First function is cv2 comma cv2 color, sir, which takes image and then color code as an input. This particular method is used to convert an image from one color space to another, sir. Here we are converting image to grayscale, sir. That's why we are used this cv2.cvt color, sir. Now second function is cv2.gaussian blur, sir. This function used to blur the existing image to some extent, sir. And then another function is cv2.canny, sir. It is an OpenCV build function, or cv2.canny, which takes our input image as first argument and its aperture size as two last argument. This is used to convert our image into the canny image, sir. Sir, another function is cv2.delete, sir. This function is used to increase the object area used to essential features, sir. And other one is cv2.erode function, sir. This function is used to erode away the boundaries of foreground object used to diminish the feature of image, sir. Then another function is cv2.find contours, sir. Contours are defined as the line joining all the points along the boundary of an image that are having the same intensity. Contours come handy in shape analysis, finding the size of the object of interest and object detection, sir. OpenCV has a find contour function that helps in extracting the contours of an image. It works best on binary image, so we should first apply threshold techniques and Sobel edges to the image which you want to find the contours of that image, sir. And the other function is a CV2 dot arrow line function, sir. This method is used to draw an arrow segment pointing from starting point to the ending point of our image, sir. Then other function is CV2 dot put text, sir. This method is used to draw a text string on any image, sir. CV2 dot IM, so this method is used to display an image in a window, sir. The window automatically fits to the image size, sir, when we use this IM show method, sir. This is the architecture for our project, sir. First we are going to take the image from the user, sir. Then we are going to identify by using our object identification, sir. Then we are going to measure our length and width of our image using object measurement, sir. Then we can save the output image on the local storage, sir. Then we are going to see the output on the screen, sir. This is the architecture diagram of our project, sir. Now I will explain you the procedure which we have followed to complete our project, sir. First we are going to import CV2 and NumPy library in Python, sir. Then co- we are going to import computer vision library in short-term CV2 library, which helps to tune the image as per our requirement and find the contours, sir. NumPy library is used to store the coordinates of the object in an image, which helps to know the dimension of the object, sir. Then we are going to set the brightness to 160 whose ID is 10, sir. Then we are going to set the width to 1920 whose ID is 3, sir. Then we are going to set the width to 1080 whose ID is 4, sir. We can either read the image from the webcam or import the image from the external file, sir. Here we are going to import the image from the external file, sir. Then we are going to resize the image in the existing image, sir. Then we are able to detect the A4 paper in a picture, sir. Extract the image of a paper and a scale and find its object inside the paper, sir. Then find as the biggest contour in the existing image by running a for loop. Then we are going to create a new Python file which named utils.py where the utilities are mentioned, sir. In that utilities.py we are going to define a function called getContour, sir. In getContours convert the image into grayscale image. Then we are going to apply a Gaussian blur on that grayscale image. Then using Caniac detector we are going to find the edges of our image, sir. Then user has the privilege to change the threshold, sir. Define the kernel. Then we are going to apply image dilation and dilate the image, sir. Then we are going to apply image erosion to erode the image, sir. Display image after we perform all the above functions, sir. Then we are going to define a function called find contour, sir. Here we can find the areas of the contours and fill it out the filter out based on a minimum threshold. File Find the parameter of the contour which define the corner points of the contour. We have to make sure that the object is closed, sir. You can define a list and store the length of the suitable length, sir. Sort the final contours based on the size of the area, sir. Then we are going to iterate our list and find the contour of the largest area we have find till now, sir. Then draw the contour of the largest area. Then we are going to reorder the points so that the points must appear in sorted order, sir. Then we are going to crop the image, sir. After detecting the image, draw the lines over selected coordinates and finally display the image, sir. This is the implementation part, sir. Now we have done half of the implementation, sir. Here we are implemented a function utilities.py, sir. Here in this we are just read an image and then we are going to pass it to the utilities.py, sir. Then we need to implement the utilities.py function, sir. We have done we have done in that function in review 3, sir, and we will submit our review in review 3, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.